Welcome to Larry's RC room. I got me a new Red Cat hat. I got me a Panda Hobby. Yes, we're gonna unbox this thing. I've went ahead and pulled the charger and the battery out of the truck. The battery comes packaged in the truck, and I've charged up the battery for it. And we're gonna unplug that like that. It comes in a package, really nice and neat. Comes with this little cap over it, the whole 9 yards, for the USB cord charger. It's really nice. Comes a little baggie like that. We're gonna set this stuff over to the side. Let me get this thing out of the box and we'll take a quick look at it. Then we'll take it outside and give it a test in your box. You've got this box inside of it. You've got your truck inside of it. Like I said, the battery is installed in the truck, but it's not plugged in. But where I ordered it from was AOAH Hobby. I just love them, man. That is one awesome truck. I really like it a lot. Sure do. You can see my TV behind me. We're in the den, Larry's RC room. You've got a little package here that's got some extra stickers and stuff for Panda Hobby. And in the radio box, I do believe you have some more batteries and things for the radio. And the charger comes in this box also. So your radio's just a standard, I think it's a 2 or 3 channel. Let's see. I know it's supposed to have multi-speeds and a way to turn the lights on and off in the controller part of it. But I'm trying to hurry up and run through this and get this thing outside. It's kind of windy out there. I just got home from work. We'll probably run it outside with no sound on the video because due to the wind. But we'll get this thing all done up, get the batteries in it and all that stuff, and we're gonna go for all. If you really want the specs on it and stuff, it's all online. You can take a look at pandahobby.com. You can also go to AOAH and check the specs there. You can go to other websites, whoever your favorite website is, or you can go to wherever you want to check the specs out for it. I ain't gonna get into all that stuff. It takes too long. It comes with a little Panda Hobby banner, which is pretty cool. Yep, it says Panda Hobby on it. That's pretty neat right there. Yes, it is. And then, of course, it comes with the batteries for the controller, transmitter, and some tools. Little 4-way, looks like some spring clips for the shocks, and some Allen wrenches, and an antenna tube. So, heck yeah, let's get this thing together. Let's be right back with you here. Get the batteries fit in and everything, get her fired up. How's that sound? Batteries in it. Okay, got the batteries in it. Yes, sir. Got forward, reverse, got the turn. You can probably do this one-handed if you wanted to. I never had to do one-handed stuff, but it comes with lights. Battery plugs in with Velcro, and it's got a little lead coming off the ESC. I'm sure it's a dual ESC receiver combo. It's a sharp-looking little truck. It is really sharp-looking. I like that a lot. So anyways, I'm ready, and I do believe I'm going to have some company join me out here on the rocks with Panda Hobbies. Here we go. Alright, we're outside here. I'm hoping the wind ain't affecting this sound very much right now. If I turn this camera, it's going to be blowing right into the microphone. So, got my grandson. He's got his Panda Hobby Jeep out here. Granddaughter got a Panda Hobby Jeep for Christmas too. I got my truck, brand new. You see the lights on it and stuff. Pretty cool. Yes. Anyways, we're going to give these things a run up the rock sides here and see what they do. Stay with us. Oh, that thing's fast.
Yeah.
Now, this is straight out of the box. I haven't done no adjustments whatsoever to it. It seems to be crawling pretty good. Yeah, it's punchy. Hoping you can see that. This 8-man camera doesn't like the dark. It's starting to get dark out on me. There's that traction. Change your line, did you? Let's see what it does coming down this gravel. Yes. Well, that's pretty impressive. We'll head on down here to the other part of the play park. Oh, almost had it. There we go. Oh yeah, get jiggy with it. Oh no, ouch. I like yours, it's got brake lights and reverse lights. Mine's just got the headlights. My grandson's been playing with his since Christmas. I think these would be fun little crawlers, you know what?
Yeah.
I really do. I'm kind of impressed, especially for the money. That's a good looking truck. Anyways, y'all, thanks for watching. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about these Panda hobbies. I like them. I think they're pretty cool. I like that black and silver one and that red Jeep, and then my granddaughter's got that white Jeep to match that. But all in all, just straight out of the box, ready to go. This with a 10th scale is a pretty difficult challenge. But with this 18th scale, it seems to be done really easy. Oh yeah. As long as I can drive it, that's the most important thing. It finally bit. Finally got traction. Oh yeah.